while, during or throughout. Bularning hammasi paytida, davomida degan ma'noni anglatadi. We use while with sentences. I fell asleep while I was in the meeting, or she was talking while we were watching a film. During, we use during with nouns. I fell asleep during the meeting, or she was talking during the film. Throughout, we use throughout in the same way that we use during, yani we use them with nouns. It means something was happening for the entire duration. She was talking during the film. It means she was talking 5 minutes or 10 minutes, we don't know. Yani vaqtinchalik bo'lgan bo'lishi mumkin. But if I say she was talking throughout the film, this means she was talking for the entire 2-hour film.